All right. Yeah, man. Greg, happy Easter, guys. Happy Easter, Hector. Everybody else that's leaving, happy Easter, guys. Thank you so much for buying into the breaks. All right, we're back, and it's Kevin from Big Break Sports Cards. And we're breaking a box of 2015 Panini Playbook, fresh out of a case for Big Palo, aka Dan. So it's Sunday, Easter Sunday, March 27th. 120 p.m. a.m. Yeah, 1:20 a.m. on the 27th of March. So, Dan, personal box of 2015 playbook for you, my friend. I wish you the best of luck and thank you so much for buying into my breaks. Here we go. Good luck and some good mojo. Oh, I forgot all about Chimmy. Dude, Chimmy's still underneath the desk. When should we let him out? You think I should keep him down there for over Easter or what? He fell asleep during a break, and I tried to wake him up, and he jumped for a minute, and he fell down behind the desk. So I kind of feel bad he's still down there. Whoa! Hey, I see a little monster in the back, dude. Holy smokes! Let's hope it's autographed. Yep. All right. Well, I'm gonna say right now, Palo, you hit pay dirt, brother. Yep. You hit pay dirt. Now it just matters what the numbering is and what the patches look like, because it's definitely autographed. Who do you hope it is? If you could wish for any rookie, I mean, I could say any veteran, but then you're going to be like Tom Brady or whatever. If you could have any player, who would it be? And if you could have any rookie, who would it be? All right, I got Nick Foles, James Laurinaitis, 34 out of 299, and there you go. Nick Foles, James Laurinaitis, 34 to 299. But that's not what we're going to be looking at. And then we got Marquise Lee, Hot Roots, 42 out of 199. And that is not what we're going to be looking at. So, let me just see what the numbering is on this before I go absolutely bonkers here. All right, that's a nice hit. I mean, out of 99, here we go. Boom. Little Mariota right in your grill. 3-color patch on the left. Gorgeous autograph in there. Boom. Marcus Mariota. Freshness, dude. Solid hit. 85 out of 99. Wow. Oh, yes. That's all you can say right there. So, big Palo. Paid off, brother. Glad you bought into the personal boxes. And I got a bunch more 2015 playbooks. So if you guys want to break some more, I just got to make sure I save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of the boxes. So I have 4 or 5 boxes to break still of this. If you guys want to keep going, man, we can keep ripping. But solid hit for Big Palo. Marcus Mariota, 85 out of 99. $300 bill. Yeah, man, that's damn close. That's at least 150. Easy, especially with that patch. That is solid. So thanks for buying. It's my break. That was a quick one, but it's all it took. Sometimes they don't need to be a long break. That was a nice shorty, and you hit pay dirt. Very nice. Thank you so much, Dan. I appreciate it. I'll be up on YouTube later tonight.